Cheryl here from ENJO. So I've got this greasy pan from dinner. Quite often people ask, how do I do my dishes? Well, I just use ENJO fibres and water, and because it's a really greasy pan, I'm using really cold water. Usually if my dishes aren't so dirty, I'll use lukewarm, but because I want those fibres to remain shut and to lift all that grease, I'm using cold. You can see with a quick wipe that fibre is just lifting all that away. Usually I would be using hot soapy water, but with ENJO it goes completely against the grain. You'll see here a quick wipe and it's just lifting all that grease in seconds. It's not smearing it around, it's all trapped in that fibre. It's really quick, really effective. ENJO clean every time. Thanks for watching.